Okay. I like that, and it smells good. What y'all think? What is it? How does it feel to be you? Hey guys, it's Kid the Vixen. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showcasing and reviewing the NYX Lip IV Hydrating Serum Gloss. That's a long title. And if you're interested in seeing how that turns out, then just keep watching. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna go in with the first shade, which is shade number 2, Hydra-Honey, and this is what it looks like. And so I am gonna put you guys a little up close and personal so you guys can see what this lip gloss is looking like. Oh, it smells good too. And it don't feel sticky. Like, is you know how some lip glosses be all thick and sticky? It don't feel that way. Excuse my grammar, it doesn't feel that way. Oh, I am. Okay. I like that, and it smells good. What y'all think of Hydra-Honey? What is given? Okay, so up next we have shade 3 in the shade Splash and Spice, and this is what this one looks like. Y'all can see that. So let me go ahead and apply that. Ooh. Waste not, want not. This one smells good too, but it's not as strong of a smell as the first one. And I will say that when you initially put the lip gloss on, it does have like a wet feel to it, but it doesn't stay wet, if that makes any sense. But this is the shade Splash and Spice, whatever I just said. Let me make sure, guys. This is the shade Splash and Spice, sorry. And this is what it is looking like on my lips. What do you guys think? All right, y'all, so up next we have shade 4, which is the shade Coco Quench, and this is what it looks like. And I am just going to go ahead and apply it. And I do go in with 2 coats, y'all, just to let you guys know. Okay, so I just finished applying it. What y'all think? What y'all think of Coco Quench? All right, guys, and the next shade we have is shade 5 in the color Mocha Me Wet. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this one. And this is just 1 coat, so I'm going to go in and do another coat. Right, so what do you guys think of Mocha Me Wet? I really like this one. I ain't gonna lie to you. I really, really like this shade. It's really pretty. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, guys, so this is the final shade in the shade 6, Espresso Soak, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my lips. first coat, and I'm about to go in with a second coat. This one is really pretty too. It's more, it gives more of like a vampy, like dark type of look, but it's so pretty. What do you guys think? Espresso Soak, what y'all think? Okay, so y'all, I am going to rate these lip glosses a solid 5 out of 5. 1 for the hydration, 2 for the pigment, and 3 for being non-sticky. Like, chef's kiss in my book, because it's so hard. Well, for me personally, it's hard to find a decent lip gloss that's not sticky. And NYX just decided to give us a gift wrapped all in one. But I would definitely recommend these lip glosses to you guys. And also, what was your favorite shade, and would you purchase these lip glosses? I mean, I did recommend them, you know. And also, please do not come for me. I know I had lip gloss on my teeth in a few of those clips, so just ignore it. Keep it pushing. Don't comment that under my stuff, because I'm gonna delete it. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Until next time.